Hello learners, in the last video you have been seen about a simple thresholding which is not going to change as per the video or images as per the characteristics of images. Adaptive thresholding is the one which is going to change as per the pattern which have been present in an image. So it is having two methods, or it is going to take three parameters. First one is input image, second one is the maximum value which have been assigned the pixel value. The third one is the method which is going to be employed. So the methods are two methods. First one is mean and second one is the Gaussian. Mean is the one which is going to take the mean value of a neighboring pixel in an window, that is a sliding window. If it is 3 cross 3, 5 cross 5, anything, and it is going to be take a mean of it and it is going to subtract. So the next method is Gaussian. It is going to take parameters. First one is thresholding type. What is the block size, window size you are going to apply with, and which is a constant number which is going to be subtracted from a Gaussian weighted sum. So these are two methods. We are taking an image, we are going to convert into a grayscale. We are applying mean thresholding and a Gaussian based thresholding. As I said, it is taking a parameters. First one is a input image, second one is a maximum intensity it is going to take, and which is a type of thresholding method. So in an thresholding, and the number here given is the constant number is 199 and the block size is 5 cross 5. 199 is a constant which is going to be subtracted. The end result mean value is going to be subtracted by 199 and it is going to be set in a threshold. In the same manner, adaptive threshold Gaussian have been used, all the same parameter but with the different methods. So this is a original image, this is a mean adaptive image, and this is a Gaussian adaptive image. So in a Gaussian adaptive, we are having a gooder thresholding as compared to a mean adaptive image. That's it for this video. Thank you.